Hi, welcome or welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Sophie and today I'm going to be swapping my screen time for reading time. Now, I'm pretty scared about this because my screen time is quite high. I think I usually use it in the evenings, my phone in the evenings, and I'm on it constantly for hours, so I don't know how high my screen time is going to be. So I think the first thing I need to do is work out what my screen time is so I know how long I'm going to be reading for today. It's just before 10 o'clock, so we could be doing this for quite some time, but we'll see. How do I find out my screen time? Let's go into settings. Screen time. Okay, it's calculating. My screen time is down 30% from last week, so I only have to read, is that going to focus, for 4 hours and 8 minutes. That is down a lot and I don't know why. Yeah, my average has just gone down a lot. So 4 hours 8 minutes, I'm going to put that on my timer. The book I'm going to be reading is Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows. I am on page 286 and there are 620 pages of this copy, so I've got a while to read. If I do finish the book in the time, then I will find another book. I've got a whole big pile of books over there to choose from to read, but yeah, I guess the only thing now is to have a sip of my coffee and get reading. Let's go. Just taking a quick break. So my mission was to get to the point where they split the Deathly Hallows films in two, because we've been watching the films and I've had to stop because I haven't read the book. I wasn't reading quick enough. But I've now just reached chapter 23, which is Malfoy Manor, and I believe it's after this chapter that the book gets split for the film. So yeah, I'm gonna do it today. So that was my goal, so I'm really proud of myself. I'm on page 363 and I'm gonna go and sit over there for a change of scenery. A while later now. It's been really nice reading and doing this instead of other stuff, instead of just scrolling on my phone and going on Instagram and stuff. I haven't picked up my phone other than to turn on and off the timer, and it's really nice. I really enjoy reading. I've gone past the bit where the film splits the book, so I can now watch the film tonight the first part of Deathly Hallows, which is good. And I'm gonna see, I might be able to finish the book or get quite close to finishing the book, which will be really good. But we'll see how I get on. Taking a lunch break. I've got my avocado toast. I'm slowing down a bit. I have real concentration issues and it's getting a bit harder now to focus on the reading, but it's still like really nice and really like calming, and I'm really enjoying the story. I'm really excited. I can feel it building now and it's like, oh. So yeah. Reached the point of the book where everyone's dying. I'm laughing because I'm trying not to cry. I did it! I read for 4 hours and 9 minutes and 36 seconds because I wanted to finish. I was like 1 page, 2 pages towards the end of the chapter, so I wanted to finish the chapter, and I'm this close to finishing the book. I think there's only 2 chapters left. Yeah, so there's 1 chapter left and the epilogue, so I will finish that today. But yeah, this has been really good. I've really enjoyed reading. It was difficult towards the end with my concentration, but it was so nice not scrolling. Like, I've not been on social media and stuff, and it was just really nice just chilling and reading and enjoying myself. So yeah, I highly recommend this to anyone who wants to read a bit more, lessen their social media time, their phone time. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon for another video. Bye!